Experience a soothing Japanese massage inspired by crystal healing massage therapy. This routine combines gentle touch with the calming symbolism of natural crystals. The session begins with deep breathing to relax the mind and body. Smooth hand movements guide energy flow across the shoulders and upper back. Crystals are used as a focus for balance and positive intention. Each motion is slow, mindful, and deeply grounding in nature. The massage encourages harmony between physical relaxation and emotional calm. Light pressure helps ease tension without overwhelming the senses. Crystal healing massage is associated with clarity and inner stability. The peaceful rhythm supports stress relief and mental refreshment. Soft pauses allow the body to absorb soothing sensations naturally. This Japanese massage style values balance, presence, and gentle awareness. The atmosphere remains quiet, warm, and comforting throughout the session. Energy-focused movements aim to promote calm and emotional balance. Many feel lighter and more centered after the routine ends. This crystal healing massage is ideal for relaxation and mindful self-care.